what is up, it's Arushi and today I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use vitamin E capsules for your face, for your skin and for your hair. Now if you've seen my previous video, I did a lot of skincare hacks and a couple of them included vitamin E oil capsules, and in the comments below a lot of you guys felt really excited about vitamin E oil capsules and a lot of you guys asked me about it. So I thought of making a separate video on how to use vitamin E oil capsules for your face, for your skin and for your hair, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Now a little disclaimer, since this is a separate video for vitamin E oil, this was not planned, so I'm trying to include as many uses of vitamin E oil as I can. So the hacks can be repetitive from the last video that I uploaded, so please don't feel weird about that. And that is all I had to say, so without any further blabbering, let's just get started.
Now if you're like me and you love all of your matte lipsticks and your eyeliners, then you also know the struggle of removing it. And vitamin E oil is the perfect makeup remover to remove such stubborn makeup. Just extract some oil from the capsules and rub it all over the makeup that you want to remove. Massage it really well into your skin and then take a baby wipe and remove all the makeup that you have along with the oil. But I wouldn't recommend you to use vitamin E oil all over your face, but it's perfect to remove your lip and eye makeup. And after you're done removing your makeup, you can also just take some vitamin E oil to moisturize your lips. For the next use, you're gonna need 1 capsule of vitamin E oil and some castor oil. Just go ahead and extract the oil out of 1 capsule. Now pour in the same amount of castor oil and mix the mixture up. Now you're gonna use this mixture to get rid of all the hyperpigmentation around your face. Now in this, we are basically using the properties of vitamin E oil along with the combination of castor oil to treat hyperpigmentation on our face, which is usually above our lips, around our lips and around the corners of our nose. So just apply the mixture of both the oils and leave it overnight and use it daily for the best results. The next use of vitamin E oil is to use it to get rid of all these scars that you might have on your body or on your face. Just take some oil and apply it on all of your scars. Leave it overnight and use it on regular basis for best results. And massage the oil really well into your skin. I'm pretty sure that not a lot of you guys knew that vitamin E oil is actually used to prevent skin cancer. So you're gonna use your normal sunscreen like you would daily, but you would add about 4 to 5 drops of vitamin E oil, which is about 1 capsule of vitamin E oil, and apply this mixture daily before you head out. So using 4 to 5 drops of vitamin E oil along with your sunscreen daily will just prevent all the possibilities of you having skin cancer. Also, that this mixture is not only for your face, you can apply it around your neck, on your hands, wherever you apply sunscreen normally. For the next use, you need 2 capsules of vitamin E oil, a hand cream and a bowl full of warm water. The water should be warm and should not be boiling hot because you're going to put your hands into the water. After extracting the oil of about 2 capsules, you will want to mix it up really well. After which you will want to dip your hands into the water. This will just moisturize your hands really well. And after about 20 minutes, just take them out and apply some hand cream on your hands for better results. For the next use, just take the oil out of 1 capsule and mix it along with some aloe vera gel. This will act as an amazing night cream. Go ahead and apply it as you would apply your normal night cream. This will not only moisturize your face really well, but will also help you to fade away all your acne scars. Last but not the least, you're gonna use vitamin E oil to moisturize your lips really well. Just extract the oil out of 1 capsule and rub it all over your lips until smooth.
That was it for today's video. Those were all the uses of vitamin E oil that I personally knew. And if you guys have any other uses that you know and I haven't mentioned, then don't forget to keep that in the comments down below so that we can share facts among each other and it's helpful to all of us. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and subscribe right now. The button will be down here. And if you subscribe to my channel, it's completely free and it'll just notify you whenever I post. And because I'm posting a lot this week, I would totally recommend you guys to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. That makes me happy and that will notify you whenever I post. And And if you enjoy this video, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and put any comments down below that you would like to. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!